In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the refund status of a canceled transfer in Wise. If you've canceled a transfer and you're waiting for your money to come back, the good news is that Wise makes it fairly simple to track what's happening. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look, what the status means, and how to download proof that the refund is being processed. To begin, log into your Wise account. Once you're signed in, go to your activity feed where you can see your recent transfers and account activity. Find the transfer that was canceled and click on it to open the full transaction details. This is the main place where you'll be able to confirm whether the refund is already complete or still on the way. When the transaction details open, look for the status indicator. This is the most important part of the process. If the status says refunded, that means Wise has already sent the money back. If it says processing, that means the refund is still being handled and may not have reached your original payment method yet. This distinction helps you understand whether you simply need to wait a bit longer or whether the refund has already been completed on Wise's side. The timing depends on how you originally paid for the transfer. If you paid by card, refunds usually take around 3 to 5 business days. So if the status is processing, keep that timeline in mind before assuming there's a problem. Card refunds often depend on your bank or card provider as well. So even after Wise sends the money, it can still take a little time to appear in your account. If you paid by bank transfer, refunds are usually quicker and typically take 1 to 3 business days. In some cases, Wise may need your refund account details before they can send the money back. If that happens, they'll contact you by email with instructions, so it's a good idea to check your inbox if the refund seems delayed. If you need proof that the refund is being processed, go back to the transaction and click Download PDF Receipt. This gives you a record of the canceled transfer and can be helpful if you want confirmation for your own records or need to show evidence that the refund is underway. That's all you need to do. Log into Wise, open the canceled transfer from your activity feed, check whether it says refunded or processing, review the refund timeframe based on your payment method, and download the PDF receipt if you need written proof.